Hey guys, good morning. So what's up? Welcome back to the video on my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll discuss the philosophy of decision making. So let's get started. The philosophy of decision making is a complex and multidisciplinary field that explores how individuals make choices both in everyday life and in more specialized contexts like economic, neuroscience, and behavior physiology. Decision making is a fundamental aspect of human concentration. Just a moment, please. So let's get started. Here are some key concepts and theories related to the physiology of decision making. So the first point is rotational choice theory. This classical economic theory suggests that individuals make decisions by weighing the costs and benefits of various obtain options and choose the one that maximizes their utility. It assumes that per people are rational and have access to complex information. However, this model has been criticized for not fully capturing and complexities of real world decision making. Okay, now the next is bounded relationality proposed by Nobelarity Herbert Seaman. This theory acknowledges that humans have cognitive limitations and often make decisions that are Google and thought rather than fully rational. People rely on air mentioned shortcuts and stratifications, choosing the first option that meet their minimum criticals. Now, to simplify complex discussion problems. Okay. Now, Perovskite theory developed by Danik Kahneman and Amon Tversky. These theories suggest that people evaluate potential outcome of decision in terms of gains, the and loss relative to our reference point. Okay, it explains phenomena like loss various and diminishing sensitivity to change in weather. Okay, guys. So the next is dual process theory. This theory posits that there are two cognitive systems involved in decision making. The first, intuitive and automatic system one, and the slower and delivered and offered systems 2. System 1 repeats on uses and institute with system 2 insists in more analytical thinking. The interesting between this system varies depend on the situation. Hey, the next is confirmation bias. This cognitive bias involves seeking out information that confirms one predicting beliefs and ignored or disgusting contradicting information. It can lead to suboptimal decision making by reinforcing existing bias and preventing individuals from considering alternative viewpoint. Okay, the next is enduring and adjustment. People tend to ensure their decisions on internal information on number, even if those numbers are arbitrary subsequent adjustment from the another ensured are often insufficient leading and based in estimators or choices. Now the next is emotion and discussion making. Emotion play a significant role in discussion. Make positive emotions can promote risk taking, while negative emotions can lead to risk evasion. Emotions can also good judgment, making it important to manage emotional reaction in decision making constructs. Okay, the next is neuroscience of decision making. Advanced in neuroscience have allowing researchers to study the nature mechanics involved in decisions making. The brain prefrontal cortex, limbic system, and reward centers are all implicated in various aspects of decision making process. Okay, now the next is behavior economics. This interdisciplinary field combines insights from physiology and economics to study how people just a moment, sorry guys. Now to study how people make decisions in real world setting. It has revealed numerous behavior bias and heuristics that influence economics choice. Okay, the next is culture. Sorry, man. Culture and society implicant. Culture, normal society experience and peer pressure can significantly impact decisions making. People often make choices then align with their social identity and conform to culture norms. Okay, now that's the today's video. Understanding the physiology of decision making is valuable in a wide range of fields from person, finance and marketing to public policy is valuable in a wide range of field from personal finance and marketing to public policy and healthcare by recognition and co just a moment and cognitive based and process that underlie decisions making. Individuals and organizations can make more informed choice and decision interpretation to improve decision outcomes. So guys, please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can see my latest videos, and share this video with your friends, and we create the new video. You can see the today's 12 p.m. my latest video is very interesting, so press the bell icon and wait my next video.